In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to predict capacity in ClickUp using workload views and dashboards. We'll start by turning on the features that make capacity planning possible. Open your workspace, head to Settings, then go to Click Apps. Find Time and Capacity and switch it on. This activates the tools ClickUp uses to calculate how much work each person can take on. Think of it as enabling the engine that powers workload bars, availability, and scheduling clarity. Next, in the same ClickApps panel, enable Time Estimates. This is where you define how ClickUp interprets time across your workspace. Set the hours per day, for example, 8 hours, to represent a standard workday. If your team works fewer or more hours, adjust this to match reality. You can also choose whether estimates display in hours or days. Hours are more precise, while days are helpful for larger tasks. This setting is crucial because workload capacity bars rely entirely on these estimates to know who's under or over capacity. Now, let's apply those settings to real work. Open a list or folder with your tasks. Click into a task, assign it to the right team member, and add a time estimate. Repeat this for each task you want to include in capacity planning. Consistent estimates make your forecasts more accurate, so use the same units and be realistic about how long things take. You can always refine estimates later as you get better data. With estimates and assignees in place, open the Workload view. From your list or folder, choose View, then select Add View, pick Workload, and add it. You'll see capacity bars for each person based on the hours per day you set. Green means they're within capacity. Red means they're overloaded. The bars represent the sum of all assigned task estimates compared to available hours on that day or week. Use this to spot bottlenecks, balance assignments, and prevent burnout before it happens. If you prefer a high-level, shareable snapshot, you can build a dashboard. Go to Dashboards, create a new dashboard, add a workload widget, and select the same list or folder. This aggregates capacity across your team and makes it easy to review in meetings or share with stakeholders. And that's how you predict capacity in ClickUp using time and capacity settings, workload views, and dashboards. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.